What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, I really do appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like and share it with your friends, and let's hit 5,000 subscribers. So today we're going to concentrate on getting a few more bits done with the FIAT. I'm hoping to jack the car up and sort out the handbrake. You need to do it from underneath the car. So that's the first thing we're going to do now. Three-ton axle stands for the 1-ton FIAT and the 1-ton Mini. And a 4-ton jack. Good to have a good jack and good stands. This thing is massive. But it's exactly what we need. So it's time to finally use this and the new axle stands and what's in this box right here. But before we do any of that, I need to jack up the car, stick it on axle stands and adjust the handbrake because it's getting 7 clicks and it should be getting 3 or 4 for the NCT. So NCT is ridiculous in Ireland, it's an absolute joke, but it has to be done to legally drive the car on the road. If you drive without an NCT you can get penalty points on your license. So yeah, Ireland sucks. So let's get this done. So it's still just spitting a bit, so I'm going to just jack the car up on that side and get the 2 axle stands under it and try and sort the handbrake. Oh, that's so much better than using a shitty little jack. So we're up high enough anyway. I'm just going to get the axle stands under it and then climb under and sort out the handbrake. So I have one axle stand here right in the front underneath the main subframe, and then the other one holding up the back there. The jack is still preloaded on this, so I don't want to let it off all the way because that will hold up as well if anything does go wrong. So what I need to do is just stick the car in gear, let the handbrake down, make sure nothing's going to fall off, and then put under and sort the handbrake. Right, so car is in gear, handbrake is down. I'm going to give the car the shake test. So you want to do this because if it's going to fall, it's going to fall now. So it's not falling, it's holding. So I'm just going to go under and adjust the handbrake. I will show you where you need to adjust it. Right, my guys, there you have it there. It's just underneath that heat shield there, and it's literally, that's your handbrake, there's your cables. So all you have to do is literally size 13, give it a few turns, and that should be it now. So I'm going to go in and test the handbrake now. That's it. Pull it really hard for 5, so that's really good. Whoop whoop, just at Halfords. Just gonna grab a few bits and pieces because we're gonna do something silly to the FIAT. Let's go. So guys, what we have here is Underglow. So I'm just going to set it up real quick to show you how it works and what way we're going to run it in the car. So there we are guys, hooked up to the battery, and that's them working there on the flash. So I can do them as a strobe. So there it is, on, off. I want to see if it changes colours. I want to go blue. There we go. So it just takes a minute. So we'll flash. Yeah, yeah, buddy. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. So yeah, that's the general gist of it. So what I want to do is I want to hook it up to the little switch that I got in Halfords, and I want to see if I can control it on and off. It's all wired up nicely. I will be fixing all these wires, and I might just run this inside, but for the most part we have Underglow. So let's get the rest of them on the car wired up, and we'll come back when it's night time. Yep, I've literally waited for hours and hours for it to get dark out to show you the finished product of the lights. Let's have a look. So cool. So we can change it to any color we want. So there's green, there's blue. Blue is very bright. So you can lower them down. That's the lowest setting. And we'll go up one, and we'll just go up one more and keep going up until the brightest. That's the brightest there. We can also do a fade. That's like a pulsating one. Then we can do the strobe. And a flash. That's a bit much. I do like the smooth one that changes all the different colours all the way around. I can't believe how bright this is. It's absolutely crazy. I freaking love this car. What do we think? Do we like it? Is it cool? I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty sick.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
So yeah, that's going to be about it for the FIAT for now. That's all done. Now I just need to organise getting the tints done and the paint, and then it's going to be more modifications. Hopefully a nice loud exhaust. Going to fix the blow that is in the exhaust, full service on the engine, and then brakes, pads, other bits and pieces for around the car, tidy it up, but it's getting there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for what is coming up with the FIAT. Let's go. Let me know in the comments if you're excited for this little build, because I don't mind that light in the background. It's really bright. But yeah, I'm really excited for this little car. It really is cool. And then obviously we're going to do some work on the Mini. Need to sort out the brakes on the Mini. Don't know what's up with them, but plenty to come on the channel, and new builds also in the pipelines. So yeah, smash the subscribe button, give the videos a like, comment, and give them a share. Really do appreciate it. So peace out, guys, and be dedicated. See you in the next one.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.